Hey everyone, very warm welcome to this latest tutorial on BotX from myself, Ben, here at Bullring Crypto. This tutorial is going to be talking you through how you can import and export your private keys from Metamask into the bot and from the bot into your Metamask wallet. The reason you might want to do this is you might be wanting to use your browser extension wallets to connect with a series of dApps such as Uniswap, and you might want to be doing some trading and some sniping using the bot. So you want the same wallet accessible in both locations, on the Telegram bot and in the Metamask wallet. It's very simple and easy to do. But before I get into that, I must say to you, I'm not a financial advisor, trading advisor. I'm here to bring you educational, informational content only. I've cleared the previous chat history from tutorial number 1, just so that we've got a fresh start, so you know what you're pressing and it's not confusing for you. So here we are on BotX, the everything bot. We're clicking the blue button at the bottom, we're clicking on to Sniper, and we are seeing the 3 wallets that we have available to us. Now what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to take the private key from the Metamask wallet and I'm going to replace it into wallet number 1. So you'll see that wallet address appear at the top. We need to click onto settings, we need to click onto import wallet, and then wallet number 1. It's going to ask us to enter the private key of the wallet we wish to import. So we're going to head across onto our Brave browser, click onto the Metamask icon, pull down the wallets. This little drop down menu here will give us our wallets, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click onto this wallet that I've set up called BotX1. BotX1, 3 dots at the side. We are then going to look at the account details, click onto show private key and enter our password. When we have done that, it's going to appear for us. I'm going to copy that the old-fashioned way. You can click on there if you want and click done. We're now coming back to our Telegram bot and we are entering that private key and hitting return. We're now seeing that the wallet is successfully imported, replacing wallet number 1. Should I come back to the Sniper so we can see the different wallets, you will see we have this A69C wallet now as wallet number 1. If we want to just double check that, we can come to our bot wallet, or BotX wallet, A69C, the wallet there is now imported into the bot. If we want to do this vice versa, again, it is super simple to do. We can come onto our settings, click our settings. We're going to now need to have a look at the private keys. Now, I can show you these private keys because none of these wallets are going to be active. They're all going to be replaced and deleted. There'll be no funds in them, so it's absolutely fine for me to do this. Of course, you wouldn't do this if you were going to be utilizing these wallets and doing a video yourself to show your community. So here we go. We can see all the private keys underneath, and wallet number 2 now I'm going to replace. So we've imported wallet number 1. Wallet number 2 I'm going to take the opposite way. So we're going to copy that. We're going to come across to our wallet. We're going to click onto the top drop down menu once again and we're going to click import. We can enter our private key into there and we can import, and you can see now we have D981 that has now been imported at account number 15. Should we wish to want to change that, not a problem at all. Go to the bottom, click the dots, account details, the little pencil, and we could call this, just so we don't get confused, BotX2, and click onto the little tick. That is now done. So D981, if we come across onto here, D981, we now have wallet number 2 moved the opposite way. So we've taken the private key from the bot and put it into our MetaMask. We now have the 2 wallets, the A69C and the D981, both available to us on MetaMask and on the bot. When you add funds into these wallets will then reflect that on both sides. So in the Telegram bot, you'll see the funds, and those funds will appear where it says balance, and they'll also appear on the MetaMask. I hope it's been useful to you. I'm going to then, in the next tutorial, get on to how we can actually fund each of those wallets before we then take the steps on how we can do some of the other features within the bot. I think it's just prudent for us to move in a step-by-step fashion. So I look forward to joining you in the next tutorial. Take care.